right. What did you get, Cameron? What's that for? You put more. Don't do that. Just pull it out.
This.
What are those? Some cups?
I got this.
Yeah, what is that, Cameron? A little can?
It's a little candy but stuffing.
Yeah. Leah, don't pull everything apart. Just pull the next thing out. Oh, is that the dress she made you?
I got stuffing.
Turn it around. Oh, cute. What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma, for giving me a card book.
Yeah.
We got a Care Bear movie.
Oh my goodness.
And another Care Bear movie. Oh, she made me a skirt.
How cute is that, Leah?
And I got this. I'm going to read it. Look at this guy. It's a kindergarten guy, but with googly eyes.
It's a drawing book, it says. So you like to draw, huh?
Look, another book. First day at school. It's a book for me. Oh.
What's that?
The princess book.
Yeah,
I want to move on to this.
Leah, it's a math book, honey.
I did it.
Okay, shh, no more popping, Cam.
Look.
Cameron, look what else there is. Oh, that's my jacket that I left at Grandma's house. Thank you, Grandma. Oh, Cameron, what is that bag?
I got
Oh,
a bag to put stuff in too.
yeah. What does it say? Bundle of oi? Is that for the baby?
What is this?
Something you blow up, huh?
What's this?
Is that a little purse for Leah? You just like to swing it around. Did you clear it out? Okay, what do you guys say?
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I love you, Bonnie.
Whoa. Leah's turning red over there. Cameron, it looks like a hammer.